It is that time of year again where we're going to be looking at these brand new trailers coming into our dealership, and today we're going to be looking at the 2026 Gulfstream Trailmaster, and this is the 236 RL floor plan. It's got tons of great features on the inside, tons of great features on the outside, so let's get right into it. Starting at the nose of the trailer here, you're going to have this nice quality of life feature, and that's going to be the power tongue jack, nice and easy to get set up and take down when you're at your campsite. You also have two covered 20-pound propane tanks with your hard plastic cover. You've got a nice tie out down there for a dog leash or any other things you need attached to your trailer once you're parked at the site. That's a nice, safe, secure spot to put them onto. Of course, you're going to have this great pass-through storage area, perfect for storing your outdoor belongings. A lot of these pass-through storage areas typically connect to the master bed, so when you fold it up, you can access it from inside and outside. However, you're kind of mixing some of your interior things with your exterior, where you might store some extra blankets and pillows. You're now mixing that with your camp gear. This one is completely separate, so you've got a nice spot to store your fire roasters, some fishing gear, you can do camp chairs, anything like that. This pass-through storage area is a perfect compartment to do that. You'll also notice, although you have a powered tongue jack, you do have manual stabilizers around the rest of the trailer. Just as easy to set up and take down, especially if you bring an impact driver with you. You're going to have a nice, pretty much full length here, powered awning with LED lights, perfect for keeping it out of the sun or out of a little bit of rain during that camping day. This is a single axle tandem trailer, so you will have a it is a single slide out tandem axle trailer, so you'll see that slide out once we get around to the other side. And a nice convenient feature we have here is you're going to have your outdoor fridge. Perfect little spot to keep some drinks. Then you're not bringing your dirty shoes or anything else you need inside the RV. You can just have access to it out here, as well as a nice contour ice maker. Around the rear, you're going to notice you have your spare tire, you've got your bumper, you've got your other manual stabilizers here right on the corner to keep it nice and secure, as well as it is prepped for a backup camera. And you're going to notice you've got tons of windows on the outside to bring plenty of natural light in once you're enjoying the rear living and rear kitchen in this setup. This is going to be your slide out here, give you a little bit more room and breathability on the interior. And around this side, you're going to have your auxiliary outdoor shower and the other side of your pass-through storage compartment. Stepping onto the inside of this trailer, you've got a nice floor plan. I'm a fan of the 236 RL in particular because right when you step in here, I guess we'll get to it in a minute, but the good flow here if you're wanting to use the washroom, whether you're a guest or if it is being treated as a couple's trailer, easy access to it from the other side. But we'll touch on that in a little bit. First of all, you got this nice countertop space right here, perfect for leaving your wallet, keys, drinks, something right and easy by the door, so you can just open it up and grab what you need to. You also have this speaker which will connect to any of your Bluetooth devices. You can use that inside or outside. You've got some storage up above and storage right below. And stepping on in, this is where you're going to see that rear living / rear kitchen setup. Starting with the kitchen, you've got this nice large gas electric fridge freezer combo. Closing that off, you are going to have plenty of options for cooking. You're going to have your traditional microwave up above, as well as your range hood. You've got your 3-burner stovetop and an oven. You've got a nice split sink here, which is something I always like to see. Gives you tons of convenience. It's like 2 sinks in one when you've got this divider. You can wash veggies, prep food, peel potatoes, anything you need on this side. Have dirty dishes on that side. If you got plenty of kids, you know the dirty dishes often tend to pile up, so having this division is a nice touch, as well as having a high-rise faucet with this hose attachment. You've got storage up above. And just like you'd have at home, you've got plenty of storage and access to plumbing down below. One bonus of having that outside kitchen, other than having some drinks and accessibility outside, is you're going to get this nice tall tabletop area here. It's perfect if you need extra room, if you are cooking, you need to place some bowls of salad, anything like that off to the side, or if you're sitting on this couch, a nice little spot where you can rest a laptop, extra pillows, blankets. Gives you lots of countertop space, and although it might seem like a negative idea, the benefit of having that outdoor kitchen far outweighs having a little bit of extra countertop space than a walking space in the floor plan. Got tons of windows around this entire unit, storage up above. And I've been noticing a lot more frequently with these newer 2026s, you've got very easy to use storage underneath these couches here. You just pull this off. This is going to be extra water tank there, but you got just a straight shot here to store some extra belongings too. Rather than trying to fit it into a little cupboard or get it around the doors, you can just pull the whole front off and slide in what you need to. This is obviously going to convert to an extra bed as well. Nice and easy to use. You can do it one hand here, lift this up, fold it down. Now you've got an extra bed here. If you're a couple's trailer, you can leave it up as a couch all the time, but if you got extra kids, grandkids, guests, that's going to be an extra spot to sleep somewhat. Similarly, over here in your slide out, this is going to be your main dining area. You can sit down here, have plenty of guests, kids, grandkids, play puzzles, games, eat your food, anything you need. That's what this dinette is for, but it is going to be an extra convertible sleeping spot too. Unlike older model trailers, you've got nice big bumpers here rather than little pieces of wood to hold the whole weight. So this is easily going to drop down onto these bumpers. That's going to have a spot for these cushions to come over. Now you've got a whole sleeping area there as well. You've got a nice electric fireplace here. That's going to save you money on propane while still heating your trailer. Give you that nice vibe of having a warm, cozy fire if you can't have a fire pit outside while you're camping. This is going to be your TV backer. Plenty of plugins up above to hook up whatever you need to your TV, and you can set up your own little entertainment area. You'll also notice that this particular model has AC with ducted air, and this is going to be the feature I really like. You have a great usable washroom here. If you've got tons of guests, I love the versatility of a trailer. Imagine you've got lots of guests, kids, grandkids, everything like that with you. Got a nice, easy washroom to use here. Opening up, you've got this full plastic wraparound shower surround, built-in shelves, and lots of natural light coming in. Now, if you are just a couple, you can leave this door closed all the time. You can lock it here from the inside, and now you've got your own private washroom. You've got your sink, you've got your medicine cabinet, toilet, and quick and easy access to the master bedroom. You've got storage up above. You've got storage on either side. This side's going to give you a little bit of compartments here with the shelf built in on the middle. 110 volt plus a 5 volt USB-C and USB on the top for charging portable devices. And this side you're going to have your wardrobe style hangers. Not only do you have that pass-through storage area I mentioned, but you do have that separate storage up underneath here as well. Perfect for totes, extra belongings, blankets, pillows, anything you can imagine. Overall, this is a great floor plan. If you are a small family and you've got lots of kids here along with you, or you just want the flexibility when you are a couple to have a dinette and a couch all the time with the option to have extra guests along if you need it, this Trailmaster is a perfect floor plan for you. If you want to see everything else it has to offer in person, come on down and check it out at Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.